Today, we'll be learning about modulo, a very useful operation in computer education and programming. Let's get started. When we say modulo, we mean the remainder when one number is divided by another. For example, when 10 is divided by 3, the quotient is 3, but the remainder is 1. That remainder is what we call the modulo. In computer education, modulo is written using the percent sign, percent. For instance, 10% 3 means the remainder when 10 is divided by 3. The answer is 1. Let's look at more examples. 15 modulo 4 equals 3, because 15 divided by 4 is 3 remainder 3. 20 modulo 5 equals 0, because 20 divides evenly by 5, so the remainder is 0. 7 modulo 2 equals 1, because 7 divided by 2 leaves a remainder of 1. Another way to understand modulo is through skip counting. Let's say we skip count by 3 to 3, 6, 9. The next number would be 12, but 10 is in between. So what's left over after 9 is just 1. That's why 10 modulo 3 equals 1. Let's practice more with skip counting. For 15 modulo 4, skip count by 4 to 4, 8, 12, then 16. 15 is 3 more than 12, so the remainder is 3. For 20 modulo 5, skip count by 5 to 5, 10, 15, 20. We land exactly on 20, so the remainder is 0. For 7 modulo 2, skip count by 2 to 2, 4, 6, then 8. 7 is just before 8, so the remainder is 1. Now you might be wondering, why is modulo important? Well, we use it in many real-world and computer problems to check if a number is even or odd, to calculate time in clocks, since hours reset every 12 or 24, and in programming, especially when working with loops and repeating patterns. For example, to check if a number is even or odd, we can use modulo 2. If n modulo 2 equals 0, the number is even. If n modulo 2 equals 1, the number is odd. Let's try. 8 modulo 2 equals 0, so 8 is even. 9 modulo 2 equals 1, so 9 is odd. Another example is clocks. Imagine it's 10 o'clock, and you add 5 hours. Normally that's 15, but clocks reset after 12. So we do 15 modulo 12 equals 3. The answer is 3 o'clock. Now, let's practice. What is 25 modulo 4? What is 14 modulo 5? And what is 30 modulo 6? Pause the video and try solving before I show you the answers. Here are the answers. 25 modulo 4 equals 1. 1 4 modulo 5 equals 4. 3 0 modulo 6 equals 0. Did you get them right? Great job! To wrap up, remember that modulo simply means the remainder after division. It uses the percent sign, and it's very useful in computer education for checking even and odd numbers, working with clocks, and solving programming problems. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing with modulo.